Welcome back to Rolling with RoadRunner, Dale.
Is that the name of
Rolling with RoadRunner.
Rolling with RoadRunner. That's have we decided this one?
Yes.
I think it was decided last night.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll go with it. I'm good. It's Wednesday, hump day. Almost, over the. It really doesn't mean much for me anymore, though. Wednesdays,
No.
Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. It's like it's all the same day.
Yep.
But what do you do? But yeah, so I think that we wanted to get together for a few minutes, and we have a pretty big announcement today.
Yeah, we're going to talk about the new RX7 lighting called RoadGlow.
Yeah, RoadGlow. I like that name. That's a cool name, RoadGlow. So, and what?
With an O or a W?
I think we're still up in the air on this one. I do like the name, and I don't know if we should be cute and just do an O, or we should do a W, make it the real name. I don't know. I'll let you guys decide this. So yeah. With that said, what exactly did you want to discuss today?
Well, what is it, and why did we change it?
Oh, the RoadGlow.
Yeah. On the RX7, I don't know. We talked about what scooter is on.
Yeah.
The electro-luminescent lighting on the first 200,
the first 300
weren't satisfied with it.
Yeah.
So we partnered with another company, and we spent 2-3 months to figure this out, and I think we finally came up with a good product.
And I think that the most important thing that everybody should know, obviously, is we're always looking to improve our products.
Right.
We saw a need for a better partnership, I'll say. And with that said, we started searching immediately, and we found that partner. And I think it's just a fantastic situation for us. It's a great find, and it's been. The company that we have partnered with, we are actually, going to get this product. It's going to be on the next, which I think they just landed today tomorrow. Yeah.
Yep.
The next container of RX7s that's going to be sold, and we've already started half of them, I think. But these scooters will have this new electro-luminescent lighting called RoadGlow.
And the reason why we switched, obviously, when there's a new scooter, it's not going to be perfect the first couple of rounds. But we saw that there were issues with the electroluminescent lighting. And that was really the only major issue we had with the scooter, right?
And it wasn't a major issue. No. I would not call it a major issue by any
means. But it
means.
wasn't perfect, and that's what we want our scooters to be.
Well, and we own that.
Yep.
That's the thing about it, is we are owning the fact that the electroluminescent lighting was not perfect on, the first, few hundred scooters. But here's the deal. This lighting that is going to take place of the old one, it's going to be about 2 to 2.5 times brighter.
Mm-hmm.
It's, we've got this dialed in, and we are having quick connects on all of the vinyls. So,
what's a quick connect?
Well, the previous one, in order to change out the vinyl if there's a problem,
mm-hmm.
You have to take the whole vinyl off, and the wiring was connected all the way down and ran through into the battery, into the, the deck. That was a pain for everybody.
So how long would that take to do just for one vinyl, for example?
Good question. But I mean, it's a simple.
For somebody who's never, for me, it would probably take 2 hours, and I'd be pissed, and I'd be throwing stuff on the ground and cussing RoadRunner scooters.
No, it would not. Not even you, Tyson. I think that, you could do it in probably 15 minutes, because all you're doing is you're going to peel the other one off, and you're going to put this one on, right? If something goes wrong.
I'm in the old way, not the new way.
Oh, the old way. Well, guys, I mean,
So the old way was hard connected.
It was
straight to the battery, or the whatchamacallit?
Well, I'll tell you what.
The voltage.
We've got videos
inverter.
To show. We've got videos to show how long it takes. It's not a quick process. It's just not. So that's what we were trying to continue to bring the great product, obviously, but we wanted to make it much easier and user friendly for the customer, which is what we're always trying to do. And so we've done it. I mean, this is a fantastic switch. And the thing is it is much, much easier to deal with if there is an issue.
Yeah. So I interrupt you. How do you change out the new one on the RoadGlow?
Yeah, I was going there, Tyson.
Yes, I know. I got you off track, which is easy for you to do.
Goodness. So the new one, all you're going to do is if something were to go wrong, again, this product, guys, it is a much more durable product. Like, you know, the
Yeah.
other one, if you got a small scratch on it, you know, it's a problem. You know, this one, it's got another layer, okay, of it's a kind of a clear coat for waterproofing. It's an IP67, by the way, just like the other one was. We didn't have any issues with that, but you know, I'm just letting you know it's still an IP67 rating,
Right.
just like the scooter IP67. But with that said, you know, if you have an issue, we will send out another vinyl to you, whatever swing arm or you know deck, side deck or the stem, and all you're going to do is you're simply going to peel that vinyl off that's on there, and you're going to pull the adhesive mark off the back, and you're going to just line it up like a puzzle and put it right back on. And the beautiful thing is, you're just going to take 2 wires and you're going to connect them. You're done. Okay, so I mean, it's night and day as far as the easiness of it, and the ease of it, and the look of it.
How do you do that again?
You like that?
Probably heard that 1,000 times in the last couple of years. So.
Okay, so yeah, so
it's exciting because obviously we want a perfect scooter. No scooter's gonna be perfect, but we want an excellent scooter that's as easy for customers to replace if there's an issue. But also, we don't want to have to replace it. Like, we want it to be good and not have any issues. We don't want it to get scratched. Don't want it to not work, you know, after the first couple of times, which these haven't. Like we tested many different companies, and none were up to our standards again until we found this one.
Yeah, and you know the thing is we're not going to have any kind of delays. It's you know, this one, you know, it's very close, you know, to our factory.
Yeah.
And you know, it's easily accessible, and so you know, we just feel better about the whole process. The beautiful thing is, though, you know, is this scooter. The only thing, if you read through the reviews, you know, and every new scooter, especially, is going to be scrutinized like there's no tomorrow.
Yeah.
This one, trust me, has. But guess what, guys? There's no continuous ongoing issue with this scooter at all. I mean, we came out of the gates, you know, out of the first round, the first, you know, 100 or whatever, we had a couple of controllers, a couple of motors. We've had a couple here and there since. But here's the deal. It's never overheated. It's a fantastic scooter. If you guys have you read the damn reviews? It gets some of the best reviews I've ever seen on any of our scooters ever. Like, you know, and we've got a ton of them for the amount of scooters that we've sold of that model. So I think that speaks highly of the scooter. And now, because this is the one thing that was holding, you know, some people back I understand that. We own it, guys. We really do. We are going to make sure that this scooter is perfect. Guys, this scooter is fantastic now. It's ready to go.
Yeah.
You know?
So what if, you know, somebody who bought one of the first versions, you know, they're having issues with their old electro-luminescent lighting, and they're like, well, I want this new one. What's going to happen for there?
So we are going to support, you know, the old product. Obviously, we're not just going to, you know, stop, you know, supporting it. We will support the old product. However, you know, if you want to switch over to the new lighting, okay, we will do so at a discounted price.
So if you're a current customer, we'll support the first product if you would just need to replace that. Or if you want to get a whole new set, you can do that with the new RoadGlow lighting.
That is correct.
Okay.
Tyson, I got a question for you.
What?
So Tyson and we have been in a fantasy football league for about 8 years together, and it's a group of 12 people, good friends from Boulder and Denver. And, you know, so Tyson has finished last place the last couple of years.
3 of the last 4 years I've come in last.
Yeah.
The Crapo trophy.
And you get a trophy called the Crapo. It's an old man sitting on a pot, you know. So, and you have to put that on your, you know, whatever, in your house for a year or whatever. So Tyson has gone from last place to first place.
Worst to first.
Yeah, worst to first. You know, I got in the playoffs. And so we are down to the final four. And Tyson and I, the only way we will meet, Tyson, is in the finals. We said this from the very beginning of the season. We said, you know what, how cool it would be to go from, I didn't do so hot the first couple of years. Now, last year, however, I did finish second place. So let's don't forget that. So it would be kind of like a storybook, you know, for me to go from second and just to win the title. So keeping my fingers crossed, and I hope like hell I meet you in the finals, and I'm going to kick your ass when I get there.
No. I'll win it all, no matter who I play. I'm not scared.
We shall see. But no, it's exciting stuff.
Yeah.
I think this is, you know, basically we just wanted to bring the message and let everybody know that this is RoadGlow's, the new lighting that is going to be on the new RX7 scooters that are going to be released in about a week from now.
which is if a customer had their scooter shipped after December 20th, 2024, that's the new RoadGlow.
I mean, we can just say December 2024, right?
Yeah.
So not a specific date. So December 2024 forward, it's going to be the new RoadGlow.
Yep.
So, and I can't wait for people to see it because it'll blow you away, and you're definitely not going to be seen. I mean, you will be seen. You're not going to not be seen. Yeah, you will definitely be seen when you're riding the scooter at night. I can assure you that.
Yeah. But same color, which it's the same look, same style as the old electro-luminescent lighting. So we kept the style and the vibe of the scooter the same, which is what we wanted.
Yeah, we had to do that. I mean, we kept it the same, but it's just a lot more durable. It can take a punishment, and so that's what the other one could not do as much. So yeah, looking forward to it. And I think that this is going to be the one thing that everybody's been looking for in the scooter, to improve on. And so we've done that. And, I think that, when we start delivering these scooters out and everybody realizes we have got them back in stock, it's going to be a good thing. So
yeah.
So that's where we are.
Great. All right.
Good luck this weekend, Tyson.
You too.